Hello children, before we studied about sets part 1, now we will read about sets part 2. Okay, in part 2 we will read about sets operator. Okay, and some of the diagram. What is sets operator? Means any symbol that we use in sets is known as sets operator. Operator means plus, minus, anything which is used as symbol, but for sets it is different. Let's see. Union sets. Okay, union sets. Union means combination. You know about UNO. Okay, what? Union. Okay, UNO means United States of Nation. Means what? It's telling about whole the world, and this sets tells about the combination of two sets of number in one set. Okay, this union means there is 1 and 1. This will combine and makes one set. Like example, A is equal to 7 8 9, B is equal to 5 6 7. Means A union B means this and this will come together, 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, once again I am telling, A is equal to 7 8 9 and B is equal to 5 6 7, then A union B is equal to 5 6 7 8 9. You are thinking that here also 7 is there, here also 7 is there, and why I have written here 7? There is your doubt. Okay, exception I am telling. See, if there is repetitive number in two sets, that count it as ones. Okay, like here see 7 7, here single. Okay, A is equal to 7 8 9, B is equal to 5 6 7, A union B is equal to 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, see here also 7, here also 7. Means we have taken it as common. Okay, you can think common, and we have written here 7. Now intersection sets. Okay, it is denoted as like this. Okay, intersection means N. Okay, means N is the symbol, not N. N is the symbol, and here U is the symbol. U like structure is the symbol. Here 9, N like structure as symbol. It tells and takes about the common number among two sets and leave other number in sets. Means this is one set and this is one set. Okay, here also something is same and here also something we have written, but this finger and this finger has little same. You think that little same, and that same when we take and make one set, then that is called intersection set. Example, A is equal to 7 8 9 and B is equal to 9 10 11. A intersection B is 9. See here, common 9. Okay, and in union when it is common we are taking single. Okay, means 7 7 means 7, 6 6 means 6, 5 5 5. But here if there is common, then we will take that number only as single and leave other number, and here we are taking all the numbers because it is union. Union means taking or combination of two sets. Okay, combining all the numbers, and here intersection means leaving all the numbers, and which is common we are writing that one. Okay, now second example I am telling you. A is equal to A B C D, B is equal to C D E F. Okay, A intersection B. Okay, before I am telling, you are thinking that okay, yes, what you are thinking, it is correct. C and D is the answer. Okay, now I am telling you, see, A is equal to 1, 4, 5, okay, 1, 4, 5 and 10. Okay, and B is equal to 5, 10, 11, 14. Okay, now A intersection B. Okay, now you see, when I am writing only you are thinking, you thought about the answer. It is good. You should be like that. Okay, intelligent. The answer is what? 5 and 10. 5 and 10. Yes, the answer is 5 and 10. Now we will go about the Venn diagram. Okay, what? Venn diagram. Disjoint sets means, what is disjoint? This is joint. Okay, these two finger, when it is coming together, it is joint. Disjoint means like this. It is separate. See here, set A and set B is separated from each other, so it is disjoint set. Overlapping set. Okay, see, this is a set and this is a set. Okay, when it will come upon each other, then this is known as overlapping set. Coming on each other is known as overlapping set. When there is common, one element is common, or two element or more than two element is common. See here, 6, 8, 9, 7. Set A 6, 8, 1. Set B 9, 7, 1. 1 is common, so that it is overlapping. A union B. Before I told about A union B means combination of two sets. Okay, combination of two sets. See here, set A and set B, it is combined together. Okay, A intersection B means what? Which one is common, that one we will take, and which one is not common, that one we will leave it. In section set A and in set B, all are, see, these two are different. Okay, and which one I have marked it or shaded it, that is common. Here also same. See here, A minus B means set A minus set B. See here, set A minus set B. Okay, see, this is set A and this is set B. When it's overlapping each other, set B also having same and set A also having same, means which one is not there in the set A, that is called A minus B. Means see, which one I have shaded, that one is not there. Okay, and in B, what are the element is there, means that is there. Okay, here also same, B minus A. What I told about A minus B, that is B minus A, but there is only side of change. Okay, see here, B, what is there in the B, and that is also there in this A, but something is common, so we will leave it. And what is not there, we will write it. That is known as B minus A. Okay, when we will take B and we will minus from A, which one is not there in B? Which one is not there in B? That is the answer. Okay, B minus A. Thank you, students. Today's lesson is completed about sets. Thank you.